Hey everyone! So, today I have two complete sets to open. One is the Haikyuu mini Mochi Mochis, and this is volume 2, I believe. And then I also have volume 1 of the Haikyuu Chokorins. And these are such cute little figures. I've opened a bunch in the past and I saw that they had a Haikyuu set, so I got the first volume. If it's really cute, we're gonna have to get the second volume as well. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up. Okay, so we have everything opened up. We're gonna go ahead and let's just do like a couple at a time. So this is the mini Mochi Mochis, and these are a lot smaller than the regular ones. So this is my Osamu Mochi Mochi, and this is the box for the mini ones. And as you can see, it's already like the same size, so there's no way it's gonna be the same size as this. I think it's like 70% of this one. Let's just put Osamu right here. So in volume 2, it's a pretty good lineup. You can get Noya, Tanaka, and Enoshita. You can get Sakusa, and then this guy, I don't know his name. And then you can get 4 people from Inarizaki. You can get Kita, the twins, and Suna. Let's just go ahead and open it. Because it's a full set, I am guaranteed all of them. And we have Mini Suna. And look how much tiny this Suna is. It's extremely small. So I think it's even less than 70%. I would say it's like half the size. Look how tiny it is. Let's open a few more. We have Noya! Here is Noya, the libero of Karasuno. I have a friend who really likes Noya, so Noya's gonna be going with my friend. The third one will be... It's Sakusa! Here is Sakusa with his little dots and his curly hair. They're so plump. That's our pile of 3. Okay, so let's do a change of pace. Let's open 2 of these Chokorins. So this is volume 1, and the lineup you can get are Yamaguchi. Is it Yamaguchi? So the lineup you can get is Oikawa, you can get Iwaizumi, you can get Suki's friend, you can get Hinata, you can get Kageyama or Tsukishima. So we're gonna get the whole set, so let's just open them up. Ooh, and it comes in the blister pack. I didn't realize it did that. And we got Tsukishima on the first one. Let's put his little legs in. And we have Tsukishima, and he has his little glasses. And even these are rubbery too. Look, he looks angry. Oh, he looks sad. Angry, then sad. Okay, we're gonna go on to the next one. I do not like these boxes though, because they are not easy to open. Okay. We got Oikawa! Another hard thing about these Chokorins are putting the feet in. Okay, here we have Oikawa. He has his very nice hair and a smile. And he's number 1. I love the detail on it. It's so simplified, but so cute. Let's open a couple more. So, next we're gonna do a Mochi Mochi. And we got the guy from the school, I'm not sure. But his uniform looks like a bumblebee. We'll just put him right there. Can you tell that I always, like, what if I got these blind? I still haven't opened any of my twins yet. And we got Tanaka! And here's Tanaka with his shaved head. And with this angry expression. I actually don't mind Tanaka as a character. And I think his Mochi Mochi character is super cute too. And then he has the number 5 on the back. Let's go for another one. And we finally got a twin. We got Atsumu. We have one of the Mia twins from the Inarizaki. Oh, because his feet are black, it looks like he doesn't even have feet on the bottom. Just blends in with the shirt. But there's so much detail on the tiny versions too. I like them. My friend was saying that the tiny versions were a lot cuter than expected, but I didn't believe her because I'm like, oh, they might be missing a lot of detail, but they have a lot of detail. Next, do some more Chokorins. I really wish these boxes were easier to open though. We got Hinata. Now, I'm not a big Hinata fan, but for the sake of the collection, I am willing to keep him. But if I had just bought one and I gotten Hinata, I'd be very upset. Okay, here's Hinata, our number 10 middle blocker. He kind of looks like the Bleach character. Another one. We got Iwaizumi. So we have Oikawa's other half. Let's put his feet on. Here's Iwaizumi. He is number 4 of Alba Josai. And his head looks like a durian. So we have only 3 more mini Mochi Mochis and 2 more Chokorins. So, keeping up with the pattern, it is Mochi Mochi time. And we got the other twin. And we have Osamu, which is the mini version of this guy. So the detail is pretty similar. I can't complain about the detail at all. Okay, let's put all of our and then our 2 twins together. Only 2 more Mochi Mochis left. Enoshita! So I really like Enoshita. He's a second year that doesn't have enough screen time. Honestly, I wish they had more like goods of him, but they don't. And that's one of the reasons why I got this set, because I really wanted the twins in Enoshita. Look how cute he looks. We can go right on top of the twins. And the final Mochi Mochi. This should be Inarizaki's captain. Captain Kita. And here is miniature Kita with his little bleached bangs. And he looks really good too. My friend is a really big fan of Kita, so This one, along with Noya, is going to my friend. We are missing Kageyama and Tsuki's friend. And we have the king. We have Kageyama, and he looks angry. I guess he is always very grumpy in the anime. We have our Karasuno setter. And our last one to open, which is Tsuki's friend. Put his feet on. And I really like the hair color that they actually chose for him. It's very, very similar to the anime. So, this is everything that we got. My favorite ones have got to be my twins, along with Enoshita for Mochi Mochis. And for Chokorins, I gotta say that Oikawa, along with Kageyama and Tsukishima, those three are my favorite ones. I'd say these mini Mochi Mochis are actually really, really cute. If I didn't already get the big ones, I probably would have just collected the mini ones to begin with because they're so much smaller and they take up so much less space. But we'll see how it goes. Anyways, thank you for watching my Haikyuu video and catch you all next time.